In this video, we're going to take a deeper look at the South Node in astrology and human design and how this energy reflects early life themes and patterns of development. The South Node represents where a person begins. It reflects the themes of early life and the experiences that shape their foundation. This is the energy that feels familiar. It shows what comes naturally and what people tend to rely on in the earlier stages of life. The South Node is often strongest from birth through the period leading up until the Uranus opposition around age 40. During this time, it represents a stage of learning and integration. It reflects how people begin to understand their life through experience. The house placement of the South Node shows where these early themes take place. It highlights the environment that shapes a person's development and perspective. This energy can represent patterns that feel comfortable. It reflects what people know, what they return to, and what they may lean on for a sense of familiarity. The South Node plays an important role in growth. It is where people gain experience, build understanding, and begin to develop awareness. Over time, this energy becomes something that is integrated rather than relied on. It forms a foundation that supports future development. The South Node can also reflect early stages of maturity. It shows how people begin their journey and how they learn through the process of living. The nodes together represent the environment in which life unfolds. They reflect how people experience the world and how they move through it. The South Node shows what has been learned, and the North Node reflects what is still being developed. The more people understand their South Node, the more they can recognize the patterns they have already lived and how those experiences support their continued growth.